Hi guys, do you want to go for management education in the respected colleges of Indian Institute of Management and Sciences? Then if you like, then you need to write an entrance examination that is called CAT, Common Admission Test, to go into that famous and well and renowned institutions of IIMs. There are 20 renowned institutions in India, those are called IIMs, and these IIMs have only one entrance examination. By writing a single entrance examination CAT, then it is a good opportunity that you may get seat in the renowned universities of entire India, the top 20 universities. Okay, then the notification has been released now. Then the date for the online application is at August 4th. Starting date is August 4th. Then the ending date is September 15. Next, the entrance examination is on November 28. There are 158 centers are there over the India. Then you need to select any 6 centers to write your entrance examination, and you may download your hall tickets from that October 27, right? Then let you know who are eligible and the eligibility for these courses. Then the eligibility is that to complete your education in that IIMs, then any graduate with that bachelor, any degree. So here that most of the students, they are thinking that only commerce students are eligible for that. What is that? To go to that CAT entrance examinations. So it is not correct, my dears. Then let me see what are that institutes that offer management courses. Here there are top 20 Indian institutes are there. Then as I told you that Ahmedabad IIM, next Amritsar, Bangalore, okay, Buddha Gaya, then Kolkata, next Indore, Jammu, next Kashipur, Kozhikode, next Lucknow, Nagpur, Raipur, Ranchi, next just you can see Shillong, then Sirmur, okay, Tiruchilli, then even Vishakhapatnam, the newly established IIM. These are top Indian institutes. They offer courses for that management courses for you all by writing an entrance examination. That's called CAT. Okay, just you can see, and these universities they offer PhD programs too for your students. Okay, then this is a toll free number that you may have to get it contacted. Now come to that eligibility. Then the eligibility is that any bachelor degree, right? That's all. Here it's not that the student should complete his graduation from what are those commerce or not, irrespective of your group. Maybe you are from BA background or BCom or BSc or whatever you like, BBA, BBM, whatever. Just if you complete your degree, whether it is on regular base or distance base, you are eligible to write this entrance examination. But the thing is that you must have to secure 50% marks in your degree and 45% for SC, ST and physically challenged people. Okay, that's all. Next, this entrance exam, these are the 2 steps to apply for this. What are the 2 steps that I want to give that information here? That then the first step is that WAT, means is that written ability test. Okay, this is called CAT, written ability test. Then those students who have secured good marks in that entrance examination, then these 20 IIMs will send you a letter, interview letter, PA interview letter to you, and after that you need to complete your group discussion and interview in the respected IIMs. Then they will offer you seats. Then the reservation is that 15% for SCs and 7.5% to that SC candidates, and 27% for that OBC candidate, and 10% for that EWS, economically weaker section students, and 5% for physically challenged personalities. Right? So these are the things. Then let me move on to that fee. Then you need to pay 1100 rupees for those people who belong to SC, ST and physically challenged people, and next to OC, EWS and OBC students, they need to pay 2200 rupees as an admission fee or examination fee. Then you need to complete your registration from that August 4, 2021. Next, there are that 158 test centers, right? You need to select any 6 test centers. Then your test may be in the 6 centers. This is a completely computer-based entrance test. Okay, and next, then your regular classes will be start from that January 2nd week almost all. Then that admission process, that first of all an entrance examination. Okay, yes, just like I have told you that after entrance examination, then there is a process for that interview and as well as group discussion. First group discussion and next interview programs. Then let me see under that process of that admission test. Now come to that selection process. Then admission process, that the first we need to write examination, that is called VAT, written test, written ability test. Then I will give you complete information about that written ability test, then its marks, okay, and then not on the marks, then the different subjects and reading, the referring books, everything else. Then after written test, you will be shortlisted for that group discussion and next personal interviews. And each 20, what are that greatest 20 IIMs sends you personal letters to appear for group discussions. If you like, you may go. For example, Jammu Kashmir IIM has sent you a notice, an interview letter, and Kolkata sends to you. That you may select whether you want to go to that Kolkata or Mumbai or whatever you like. Then you may attend there. Then if your performance is good in the group discussion and personal interview, they will offer you seat. Then the eligibility already we discussed in that. So you must have to submit your degree at the time of that certificate verification and OBC or BC SC ST or EWS caste certificate. Next, final year your marks. You must have to fulfill 50% marks in your degree and 45% for SC ST students. Okay, and you need to submit all those certificates. Then it is an easy to get a seat in IIM. Not easy, but you have to think it is an easy. Then please wait for the next video of that, how to prepare for CAT examination, syllabus and its complete information, referring books and each topic and even blueprint. I will give you complete information in the next video. But here you can see they did not mention any syllabus, okay, in the what is that, their website. But I have some other additional information regarding to this certificate. Okay, you may come and complete your registration from here. Okay, right. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, you can post your doubt. I am ready to give that complete question and answers to your questions. For those people who have subscribed my channel, I am ready to give that answers to you. Okay, thank you and all the best.